So the 50/30/20 template is an amazing tool to track your money and plan where you want to spend it. But this is the biggest mistake I see with this. Everybody tries to be too rigid. They say it needs to be 50/30/20, and that's where they're going to spend their money. But this does not suit everybody's lifestyle. For example, I do save less than 20%, but I've made a conscious decision to do that, and that's what suits my lifestyle. So you need to be very realistic, because if you're not realistic, then you will end up trying to achieve something that you can't achieve, and then you'll give up. So it's very important you actually take the time to use my free planner if you look at my previous video, and adjust the pots as and much you need. So for example, if your household bills are more than 50%, then let it be more than 50%, because it needs to be realistic for you. And you can change this over time. So for example, my previous video on what to do with a salary increase, if you actually don't increase your spending, then you can increase your savings. So for example, if your savings only starts at 5%, every year you can increase this percentage just by keeping your rest of the expenditure the same and just increasing your savings percentage. So it's never too late to do this. And if you failed with budgets before, don't be deterred, because this one does work if you treat it respectfully. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more tips with money and life with Ross Jenkins.